The cleaning industry includes anything from one-off residential cleaners to specialized industrial cleaning services. Because the initial investment you make relies on the size of your team, the cost of equipment, and competitive rates in your local market. It's critical when figuring out how to start a cleaning business to choose your services focus early on. Larger home cleaning companies will require more structure than a service you run by yourself or as a side business. You can begin to flesh out the specifics of your business strategy and make plans for supplies and transportation once you've identified your target market. As soon as you're prepared to start accepting clients, you'll want to spread the word about your service. Depending on your personal network, you might begin with friends or acquaintances before using an internet presence and marketing to reach a bigger market. In this video, we will talk about starting a cleaning business from scratch step by step. It's the iBiz YouTube channel. Subscribe and let's get started. Step 1. Fund your cleaning business. Starting a cleaning business from scratch can be challenging, especially in terms of financing. Entrepreneurs frequently have to do this by taking out a personal loan, a business loan, or using credit. A cleaning service may have relatively cheap startup costs depending on the size of the company. This implies that you can start a cleaning firm with little debt and gradually increase spending and operations as you bring in money. The price of cleaning materials and supplies, advertising, company insurance, and licenses and permissions are typically included in the costs of beginning a cleaning service. Big box stores typically provide lower prices for supplies. The supplies you require will depend on the focus of your company, but common cleaning supplies include mops, window cleaner, latex gloves, paper towels, brushes, and similar items. You might even be able to buy straight from manufacturers after your company is established. Step 2. Choose your market. You should base your target market and services on local needs as well as your own capabilities and accessibility to transportation. For instance, if you need to be able to walk to your cleaning tasks, decide on a commutable radius and concentrate your market study there. People who have access to a car or public transit have more options and might start by looking online for established companies that provide such services. When figuring out how to start a cleaning business, it's important to conduct competitor research because it's an essential component of any business planning process. Watch for services that other companies seem to be lacking. Commercial cleaning is more difficult to get into when first starting out than residential cleaning. Large janitorial businesses typically dominate the commercial cleaning industry and have more resources at their disposal. You might focus even more specifically on single-family homes or apartments within the residential cleaning industry. Additionally, bear in mind that you'll probably be working alone at first while choosing your market. This implies that you should be picky about the clients you choose to work with. Cleaning a big mansion on your own might not be a job you want to take on because it will definitely take more time than it's worth. Additionally, performing the tasks independently will cut costs and provide you the option to plan work around your time. Step 3. Find a specialty and stick to it. Success as a cleaner will depend on the caliber of the service you offer, whether that is proficiency in a specialized field or just quick, courteous service. If you lack the skills or resources necessary to provide specialized equipment and services, the costs of training, equipment, and other expenses may exceed your cleaning revenue. When you do reach the point where specialization makes sense, you might take possibilities like industrial kitchen cleaning, eco-friendly cleaning, and tile and grout cleaning into consideration. Step 4. Plan the business budget. The two main costs of basic cleaning services are supplies and transportation. Your cleaning costs will range from being extremely inexpensive for a single cleaner to being significantly higher for a firm with a large staff and company car, depending on the services you provide. The other startup costs for your firm can be estimated once you have a transportation and backup strategy in place. Any mobile business, like a cleaning service, depends on transportation, and getting to the job location is one of the most crucial requirements. Remember that transportation plans and obligations will likely fall on you since the majority of cleaning firms bear the responsibility of getting to and from cleaning jobs. The cost and quantity of supplies you use to run your business are entirely dependent on the services you provide and the number of customers you have. At stores like Sam's Club or Costco, you can purchase goods in bulk if you clean a few private homes each week. You might be preferred to use their items by some customers. If you're operating a larger service, acquiring discounted prices from suppliers shouldn't be an issue once you register the firm. Wholesale sellers will probably want verification of your company's authenticity. For basic cleaning services, the main costs are transportation and cleaning supplies, but equipment and other rentals will also add up. It can be expensive to hire specialized equipment and cleaning products for carpets, floors, and exteriors unless you already own it or have free access to it. You should consider renting if you are already familiar with a certain sort of equipment, because you can always wait to incur further charges until you are more experienced. Step 5. Register the business, particularly when the service is provided by a single person and consumers are paying in cash. The legal restrictions around domestic services like house cleaning and child care aren't always evident. The size of your firm will determine how much registration and income reporting you need to do. It's definitely safe to hold off on establishing your business if you're only giving services to immediate relatives. Cleaning your aunt's kitchen once a week for $20 isn't really considered running a business. You must use the official channels to declare your income to the IRS if you make more than a few $100s every month. You have the option of starting a cleaning company as a sole proprietor, a partnership with another person, or a limited liability corporation if you wish to keep your personal and professional funds separate. Consider becoming a franchisee of a significant cleaning services network when thinking about how to launch a cleaning business. The advantage in this situation is that brand familiarity, policies, and procedures are already there. You won't, however, have as much power over your company. It's important to keep in mind that it's far simpler for private individuals to pay other people than it is for a corporation to pay a person who is not an employee if you're interested in working as a cleaner outside of houses. Cleaning services with corporate clients should pay particular attention to business registration and accurate tax documents. Step 6. Find and maintain clients. Online discussion boards and service portals are increasingly used to connect customers with nearby cleaning companies, but word-of-mouth advertising is still quite important in the domestic services sector. If you have exceptionally satisfied customers, encourage them to recommend your cleaning services to their friends on Facebook or give them your business card so they can do the same. It can be challenging to demonstrate your best work to potential clients. Therefore, it's a good idea to offer the contact information of former clients who are prepared to serve as references. Better yet, request formal recommendations for your website from happy clients. Current customers are a common source of new clients for home cleaners. Although you shouldn't rely on customers to get you new work, developing a rapport with them can boost your confidence, and they may even alert you to job openings. Having fixed prices that you can offer clients is crucial for attracting and retaining their business. The typical cost to clean a single-family home is about $120 to $150 according to Home Advisor. Your region, the level of competition, the services you provide, and other elements may have an impact on these pricing. Regarding your pricing structure, cleaning firms often provide quotes in one of three ways: by the hour, by the area's square footage, or with a straightforward flat charge. No matter the pricing strategy you decide on, it would be a good idea to conduct some market research to make sure your prices are reasonable, especially if you're just getting started. Additionally, you might wish to spend money on a payment processor, like Square, to assist you in accepting credit card payments from customers. Just bear in mind that taking credit card payments will incur fees. Step 7. Expand your services. Even if you rely on your current clientele to bring in new business, creating an internet presence for your service will ultimately help your company. Even if you don't have a complete website, it's critical that your present and new clients can discover you online. Make a Facebook page for your company and update your contact details. Once your firm is established and you have a clientele, you may register with a platform like Care.com, TaskRabbit, or Handy to make it simpler for customers to find you. Your web profile will be strengthened by having client testimonials and being a legitimate firm. Consider printing business cards for offline networking. The bottom line: cleaning is labor-intensive even though it could appear like a simple task. Spend a few days on the job to make sure you're cut out for cleaning before making it your full-time job or side gig. You can gradually add additional work and more clients to your cleaning service as you get used to the position. If you take the necessary precautions in advance, you'll be able to optimize your time and spending as you establish your schedule and gather repeat clients while continuing to provide good service. Hope this video was helpful for you. If so, please subscribe to the channel and press the like button.